Well, that's what I'm trying to accomplish. I got those. They're wine glasses, tops that I cut off. My plan is to make the handle thing shaped somewhat like that, and then just drill a hole in the end here and slide the end of that into the wood and glue it in there. Whether or not it works, we shall find out. Okay, so there's these cracks in this piece. I'm just going to try to use some super glue and fill them in maybe. Okay, now we'll just let it dry for a while and see if that worked out. Just a little side note while we're waiting for that to dry. If anybody knows what to do with these things, let me know. Any project would work, I just don't want to throw them away. I mean, they look like they could be used for something. Alright, I just drilled the hole and set that down in there. I'm sure it's not going to be true when it gets up on the lathe, but oh well. Comes out and kills me. Well, so be it. But I'm gonna wear a face shield and all that crap. Probably get a smock, because I don't like stuff flying off and hit me, especially glass. So, alright. Alright. So I finished the handle deal on my wine glass, and now I'm just going to put a CA glue finish on it, just some super glue. Okay, now I'm just going to part it off and then see you then. Okay, I got it parted off and I just stuck this down in there like I had it last night and used some titanium enriched silicone to hold it in there, and then I'm just going to let it dry probably overnight. Thanks for watching.